welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing good. So as you all have read by this title, I am trying new nail art brushes on my illustration. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here I was unboxing the new brushes and giving you all a view of how they are. It had 5 sets of dotting tools and in total of 15 brushes. Let's get into my illustration. I have pre-made the illustration sketch. If you all guys want a tutorial on how I make my illustration, tell me in the comment section below. So I have not used all the brushes it came with. I tried only 3 and yes, I struggled a little with them because they are too fine for painting purposes, but it was working pretty good for me because I mainly used the angular ones and rest too for little fine works. So you can see here I am using that angular brush for almost all the details I have made. I will not suggest them for the new ones, those who just have started painting stuff, as these are too fine and I too need a lot of practice for a good flow with them. They are not too good nor too bad as per me. It's just we need more practice, as practice makes everyone perfect. I have almost done with the illustration, as you all can see. Here I have only used that particular angular brush, as you can see, because that was the only one that was working for me. So if you all enjoyed watching me trying these brushes and liked my video, please like this video, comment down below #glams. Also let me know what you all want me to do next and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet you on our next video. Until then, goodbye.